Hello, James Greaney here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video I'm going to be answering the question that I've got asked, and I've actually got asked this question a few times. How long will it take me to replace my income? So if you're thinking about quitting your job and going at Amazon FBA full-time, or creating your own private label brand of products and doing this full-time, how long will it take before you're able to do that? And just before I jump into the question, I'm just going to give you a bit of background on me. So I started my first private label brand on Amazon back in 2013, and it was 2015 by the time that I went full-time at private labeling. Again, I wasn't fully committed into it. I was still doing retail and online arbitrage all the time, and I only started with a small budget of $500 for my first order. But if you have a bigger budget to start with, then you can achieve this a lot quicker. As well as this, it depends on what type of income you are trying to replace. So for example, if you want to replace an income of $5,000 or £5,000 per month, if this is the income that you're making and you want to replace that, then I would say you'd be talking about investing $10,000 up front, and you could achieve this in 6 months with that type of a budget behind you. But if you were to start with only $1,000 and you wanted to get to $5,000 a month in income for yourself, again, this is reinvesting back into all your own products, then it's going to take you a couple of years to do that, because it's going to take time to build up your inventory levels and have enough profit to take this amount of wages out for yourself every month. So again, it totally depends on how much you are trying to replace and how much you are trying to start with. So now that I've gave you that example, you'll be able to fiddle it around and, adjust it depending on what you are trying to achieve. If you're trying to achieve $2,000 per month in income for yourself, if that's what you're trying to replace, then you will be looking at starting with around $2,000, and it's going to take you 6 months to a year before being able to take this as a full-time wage for yourself. This is $2,000 in additional profit on top of what you're going to be reinvesting back into your inventory. So remember that you're not going to be taking out all of the profit straight away unless you just want to keep your business the same. You want to reinvest into new inventory, and then you can take out the salary for yourself. But there are two different ways that you can run your private label business in 2018. You can go ahead and try and create as many products as possible and make a margin on these products, or you can spend time and develop a product that will be a good seller on the various Amazon marketplaces, and you can technically make enough money off one product if your product is good enough and has enough demand that you can live on full time. You can still reinvest your profits back into new products, but your aim will be to launch one product onto the multiple Amazon marketplaces. So the marketplace that I sell on is amazon.co.uk, Amazon, all of the EU Amazon platforms, as well as Amazon.com in the US. And I am looking at branching into Amazon.ca, which is Amazon Canada. Very easy to do once your products are over in the US for Amazon.com. So this is probably going to be the next marketplace that I will be selling on. But it's really up to you what type of business you want to build. And whichever route you go in 2018, it really does pay to spend time and develop good products that aren't already being sold by the masses. So again, you can go onto Amazon, you can find products that are selling well, but it's important not to copy the exact products, to make your own unique twist on the product. This will give you a distinct advantage on Amazon, especially if this product is a product that's in demand on the various marketplaces. So again, I'll give you another example. If you're launching on Amazon.com in the US, you might, look at football equipment. Football in the US, as you probably are aware, is different to football in the UK. So what you're making for what we call American football, products around this won't be suitable in the UK. Yes, they will still sell, but they'll sell in such small quantities. So you'll want to enter into a market that you can sell on the various marketplaces. Again, look for products, that are needed in a house or in a job, or something that is needed in different countries, so that you're not just stuck to the one location with your product, because that is definitely the future, is working out how Amazon works. And once you have that found out, you can easily go on to all of the other Amazon marketplaces and just replicate what you've done on that Amazon marketplace. It's very straightforward. Once you've got one successful product, it's easy to roll them out to the various Amazon marketplaces. And that's where the big opportunity is in 2018, is going on to all of the undeveloped Amazon marketplaces, we'll call them at this stage, because there's so much opportunity there at this time. And that's where you really want to be able to go with your products as soon as you have proven the concept, proven that your product is in hot demand and selling well. But I talk about all of this in depth in another video that I have recently released, where I go into detail of the type of products that you should create that will be in hot demand on Amazon in 2018 and going forward. So I will link up that video somewhere around here, so you'll be able to click on it and watch that video and see exactly what you need to do in order to build a successful private label brand of products in 2018 and into the future, using Amazon as the foundation for your brand. As well as this, the unique private label course is currently open, and the advanced private label course will be opening again soon. The unique private label course is for beginners. It basically shows you everything that I do from start to finish, from finding manufacturers to getting the product shipped to Amazon, product selection, etc. It goes into all the details that you need to know if you are a beginner. So I will leave that link in the description and you can check it out for the unique private label course. And the advanced private label course will be opening again as soon as I have it updated. And in that, I go into all the details of what's currently working at the moment and increasing my sales and my profit on my products on Amazon. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.